Welcome. In front of me is a POCO X6, and today I will show you how you can enable and also set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen like so, and then locate the Do Not Disturb toggle, which might be located on either page. So we have two pages. Swipe to the left to see the second one. And it looks like that's where our Do Not Disturb mode is located by default. Once you see this toggle of a moon with a D and D under, you can hold it. This is just for the first time. And in here, we can navigate to settings for Do Not Disturb mode, which are right over here. Simply tap on it. And you can customize the mode right here. Once you're done customizing it, you can either enable it from that setting window at the very top, or by just tapping on the toggle right over here. Now once you're done with the mode, you can then tap on the toggle once more to turn off your Do Not Disturb mode. Now that being said, by default, the way it's set, when you enable it, it will be running indefinitely, so if you don't turn it off yourself, it's just gonna stay enabled. Now if you want to kind of circumvent this so you don't have to always remember about it, if you just use it sporadically, you could set it up as a schedule. So you can either have it so it turns on maybe once a week or whatever for the purposes, or if you want to do it so you enable it and then it disables itself, you could set it up so, as an example, it runs every single day of the week and just turns on for a single minute somewhere during the night time. This will then, when the mode is enabled, we'll try to enable it. Obviously, when Do Not Disturb mode is enabled, it's not going to do anything, but a minute later, it will automatically turn it off. So that would kind of allow you to not have to remember that your mode is enabled all the time, and the device will turn it off for you after, well, some period of time. So anyway, with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.